Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you PayPal app how to transfer money to bank. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer money to bank, first what you need to do is head over and open up your PayPal app or launch PayPal in your browser, and be sure to be logged into your account as well. And once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on balance or PayPal balance, and then find and tap the option that says transfer money. Then once done, all you gotta do is select transfer to your bank or transfer to bank account and choose the linked bank account you want to transfer to. And if you haven't linked a bank account yet, you can add one by entering your bank details. The next is to enter how much money you want to transfer, and then choose transfer speed from instant transfer, which is free, usually takes 1 to 2 business days, or instant transfer, which fees apply and money arrives within minutes. Then all you gotta do is review details, and then lastly tap on transfer or submit, and you'll get a confirmation and the money will move to your bank account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.